So after a hectic morning of getting my voucher ready, I couldn't download the app properly to access my voucher, so I had to go to a net cafe and have it printed out, and trying to find the coach station where we leave. I am off to somewhere exciting. Where is it going to be? Let's find out. And here we are at last. I don't know if you can see it, but there we go. Puff garb? Check. Digital guide? Check. Ticket? Check. I am ready. That's all there is in this household. Nobody else. Swear to it. Look, it's the cupboard under the stairs. I'm in the Great Hall. Too bad these portraits aren't moving. Take a look at this, though. The Mirror of Erised. I show not your face, but your heart's desire. Here we are in Professor Snape's potions class. What a flight that was, huh? Oh. It's the car. What do you know? This part is fun to do. Watch.
Do you remember that thing in
Movie magic if I ever saw it. Wow. These are beautiful. We're now headed into the Forbidden Forest. Scary. Oh, it's Buckbeak, and he's nothing to be afraid of. There's something to worry about around here. Wind. It was just this. And now we're at platform 9 3/4. Whew, that sure was an eventful train ride. Of course, no Harry Potter adventure would be complete without a trip to Honeydukes. I'll show you the candies I got at the end of the video. I'm in heaven. Welcome to Gringotts Bank. Wow. This is awesome. Now, it's time to take a walk through Diagon Alley. Yes. Weasley's Wizard Wheezes. I wish this was a real shop, really. Ooh, Niffler's now in stock. And behold, we have my most favorite part of the tour ever. The Hogwarts model. Is just so breathtaking, so beautiful. They have a complete model, not to mention, it's like a 360 wraparound so that you walk around and you get the whole view of everything. And note that this is just a model. Think of how incredible, how magnificent it would be if it were real. Harry Potter is my most favorite book series ever, for a reason. J.K. Rowling, if you're watching this, thank you for everything. This quote will always bring tears to my eyes. That was awesome. And like always, I cleaned out my wallet at the gift shop. I'm back in the hotel room at last. And now, I'm going to try one of these exploding bonbons. These are surprisingly good. Alright everyone, and now it is haul time. Let's start off at the top left corner. I got myself some new Hufflepuff garb. I got these gloves, this hat, a pair of socks, and this Hufflepuff scarf. I got a pencil and some notebooks. And I got this studio pen. Let's see if we can get it into focus. It says Harry Potter on right here on the side. And it's got a little Deathly Hallows keychain up here. Let's see if I can get this into focus. There we go. Now you can see it. Sorta. And then, next up, I got a Hufflepuff keychain and Hermione's time turner trinket. I'd show it to you right now, but I need two hands to operate it, and one of my hands is holding my camera. I got Marauders Map earrings. I got this Harry Potter film wizardry book. I got Bertie Bott's Every Flavor Beans and some exploding bonbons from the Honeydukes area. I also got a lollipop there, but I ate it on the way back. And in the cafe area, they were serving butterbeer and butterbeer ice cream, and I got the souvenir cups for both. I got this replica exercise book. I got this sun-activated Marauders Map tank top. I think you put it in the sun and it shows the Marauders Map or another design or something, because it says here sun-activated design. I got this clipboard. I think you can actually use chalk on it too. And by the way, I solemnly swear that I am up to no good. I got the Marauders map itself. Mischief managed. And if we look over here, just let me get these out. I got some photographs, a poster of me, as well as another pic, and footage that I'm going to use in this video. Unfortunately, their regular USB USB drives, and my computer only has USB-C plugs, so I'm gonna have to wait until I get home to get those. Today was so much fun, and tomorrow I think I'm going to take a break from vlogging, do laundry, and probably start shipping some stuff home. So, I will see you on Monday.